Hey, thanks for popping back in, guys, for episode 52. We got a little ride video with our dude Carlos. You've met him before, and his Ryker 900 with his True Performance exhaust. That's actually the video we had where we were doing an exhaust sound check with his Trill and then my Predator on my Ryker 600. So we just do a little bit of shopping on the Rykers. ThrillMouseMoto. So this video was like a little bit before Christmas. Sort of pretty much a Christmas time video I'm finally getting to. You've seen a couple things after this. This is the Predator still on my Ryker, so you know where we're at in a little timeline here. If you're not used to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, this is my Ryker 600, 2019 Ryker 600. We meet up with Carlos, and if you haven't seen that video, you're just meeting him now. He has a Ryker 900. You just rolled in too?
Yeah.
At the same time? Or you were already here?
I just got here.
Oh. Yeah, well, I literally just went, and I thought you could turn in right here, and I looped around, and then... You could hear me?
Huh?
You said you could hear me?
A little bit.
Oh. You have earplugs on.
I do have one.
Have what?
What are those?
On?
I didn't read it today.
Yeah, we could be jamming the same music, dude. Dang it. Well, I gotta get gas.
Okay, let's do it.
I know a spot where it's you kind of get on and then get off.
Let's do it.
You want to follow me?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I was pretty loud still at this point because I got that ROS Predator on my Ryker 600. So Carlos talking about hearing me coming around the parking lot already. He came from a different spot. I was actually kind of late to the meetup, so it was a good thing he was late because we got there at the same time, which was pretty cool. Another thing he was talking about was the Sena, because he was saying he's got one. Actually, this is current time now, of course, because I usually record this the day before I drop it. But we haven't met up yet with him with that Sena. But man, any type of intercom that can link up together is gonna be sweet. So this was like an hour ride. So that would have been pretty cool to be able to communicate with each other, like you see Brian and I in some of our videos. But yeah, we're just going to San Marcos Outlet Mall to the Nike store. So stay with us. It's pretty fun. I give them to you now before I forget, because I will.
Huh?
Those stickers. Oh yeah, I got you one like this. This is like the t-shirt of the mouse. Yeah.
That's dope, man.
This is the one like the one I got.
You can see it. Roll up.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna put that on the window.
And I had this one made without the Chiquita banana panels, so it looks like Ryan's, you know? And then I got these.
Let's put these on right now. I didn't know what tour I made with. What tour I made with, man.
Oh, you with that ThrillMouseMoto?
Clean it or whatever?
Oh, you busted it, dude.
Still see if we can work right here. I can still get it on there.
I could just get you another one. I got like 4 other ones, dude. You go like this.
Okay.
See, like I said, it's got like...
I don't care about that, really, dude. They'll come off eventually.
There you go.
Yeah. The ThrillMouseMoto money.
Right. They go, man, you look a lot different from the YouTube.
I'm sponsored now.
There you go. Got Carlos outfitted right with some ThrillMouseMoto swag, and everyone in the past couple weeks that I promise I'll send them stickers that they've asked, or decals, you're getting them. I just put them all in envelopes right now. They are going out. I'm going to put them in the mailbox. Like I said, it'd be like Monday when they start going out. So look out for them wherever you're at. I just put some random ones in there, so I don't know which ones everyone got, but you kind of just saw like the variations and stuff. But we got them all sponsored out. Look at him, he's like a race car of ThrillMouseMoto. We're just kind of point out some stuff on his just now. Really, those M2 shocks. We talk about them in the exhaust sound check video we did with his Trill and the Predator, and they're just awesome. M2 shocks are great. I have Elko on the front, stage 3. People usually message me about them, asking about them, and yeah, they're cool and everything, but man, that M2 for the rear, I haven't upgraded my rear yet, so maybe I'll have some Frankenstein suspension on this. I mean, already my Ryker's kind of Frankenstein, you know, you got the ProTaper bars and everything like that, so it'd be cool to get even wackier with it, because hey, it's my thing, you know. That's what's cool about the Rykers. If you're not used to having them, you're just starting to get interested in them, that's why you're watching videos like this. You can get crazy with it, man. You can put all kinds of stuff. You see those boots that were on the side of the road?
That's so crazy what people slow down for.
Say what?
That's so crazy what people slow down for, you know? Shoot, you know? Stops the whole traffic.
That was a whole bunch of boots.
Oh, my head's hurting.
From what?
My hair.
Oh. Do you usually tie it down a different way?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got it like this.
Oh, you just barely did it?
Want to do gravel or what?
No.
I'm not going in the gravel. This is not a rally edition. It's like he's looking for any excuse to get wild on it. Nope, won't do it. Actually, gravel is pretty fun though, but I'm not trying to do that on the actual access road to the highway. I actually have a video. I'll probably try to do that one. Well, I still have to do the camping video, but there's another video where Kevin and I are on like this wacky gravel road and we're just swinging these things sideways. It's a lot of fun. If you have a Ryker and you haven't rode on like a really loose gravel road and got kind of nuts on it, I would say for sure don't get too close to each other if you're riding it with another person, because those rocks are flying crazy. But you don't even have to be going fast. It doesn't have to be some dangerous thing, but really, you're fishtailing, you're cutting sideways. It's blast, man. And well, we get to the Nike store, and that's kind of like the main. I see the traffic is nuts. It's just crazy. It's a crazy time. It's a crazy year for anything like this. But Carlos knew what he wanted to get. He knew it was waiting for him. Ran in there, grabbed that stack of those Nikes. I'm gonna put them on blast with how much that is, or really not even how many, because you calculate it your own by knowing that. But we stacked them up on that max mount, man. Looks good. Did a good job stacking them.
How's it holding up?
Not moving.
I'm thinking about just putting the shoes in the bag, get rid of the boxes, and keep the Jordan.
I was going to say that to begin with, but I thought maybe you were trying to hold on to them. Let that car go. Let that van go. Or that Jeep go.
Yeah, they hold up the whole time, so don't think this is some fail video where he's gonna drop them everywhere or anything. It doesn't get that interesting. It's just a little ride video, man.
You're not hot? Damn, dude. It's hot, man. I posted something about being hot on Instagram, and there's these cats up north that follow me that have theirs locked up for the winter, dude. The snow and everything.
Wow.
This one guy was like, I'm in Massachusetts and it was 8 degrees yesterday. I was like, bro, I'm wearing t-shirts and jeans and I'm sweating, man. Texas, boy.
Our stuff is so loud.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'll probably be something closer to you when I get that new one from Ricky, dude. I'm pretty stoked about it.
Yeah, for real, man. If you guys want to hear, like I said, this is the Predator, and now I have the Stealth on my Ryker 600. So if you want to hear the RLS exhaust Stealth pinned up against a Trill Performance exhaust, let me know in the comments, and we'll get it done. I mean, Carlos lives just in the next town over. I'm gonna call him up, and go out to Bucky's again, well lit. Do some cruising, some side-by-side, some startup, idle, all that stuff, because these two are the ones that I would say are close competition as far as, I mean, you get that good tone, but, you know, you're not breaking the glass on the block like the Predator. So just ending it off with this cool little mural. It's an arcade here in Austin. We spotted it on the way to grab a bite on the way home. Thought it'd be cool to show it. Appreciate you guys watching. We got a live stream coming up at 8 o'clock on Friday, so stay tuned.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.